Have you ever felt that sudden tightness in your chest when someone says, "I'm coming over"? You smile. You say, "Yeah, sure, come by." But inside your brain whispers, "There goes my peace." If you know that feeling, trust me, you're not alone. And today we're diving into the psychology of why some people hate having guests over even when they genuinely like the people walking through the door. For some, hosting is fun, the laughter, the energy, the conversations. But for others, home is something different. Home is sacred. It's the only place where the mask comes off, where the breathing gets deeper, where the world stops demanding something from you. And when someone enters that space, even a friend, something shifts. The air changes, the silence breaks, a gentle tension creeps in. Not because you dislike the guest, but because your sanctuary has been disturbed. So why does it feel like such a small invasion? Psychologically, people who value solitude have something called territorial comfort. Their home isn't just a building, it's their emotional reset button. Every sound, every object, every routine side, it is something they control. So when a guest arrives, the mind feels like a calm pond someone just dropped a pebble into. Nothing bad happens, but the ripples change everything. Some people also use their home to recover from social energy. Out there, they're polite, they're aware, they're on. But inside their home, they finally get to stop performing. So when a guest comes over, even one they love, the mask goes right back on, and that emotional effort drains them quietly, like a battery losing percentage in the background. Silence feels like oxygen. The truest form of comfort is a quiet room, a familiar chair, cup of tea, and your own thoughts.